Hello，大家好。咁我呢一度咧，今日會同大家講一講我哋 Chapter Four Homework Two 嘅呢一份嘅功課啦。嗱，我哋最主要要睇翻，其實我哋究竟呢一個嘅 statement 係啱定唔啱咧？咁我哋呢個 statement 我就分開兩個部分嘅，第一個就係佢個 description，第二個就係佢個 explanation。嗱，我哋好多時候我哋要睇下究竟佢呢一個嘅 description 係咪有一個啱嘅一個 explanation。我哋喺第一條裏面，我哋會見得到 low temperature 會 decrease 個 enzymes activity。咁的確嘅，under 個 low temperature 佢係會降低咗個 enzyme activity，但係佢就唔係令到個 enzyme denature，相反佢只係令到個 enzymes 咧係 inactive 啫。OK，咁由於佢係 inactive 嘅關係咧，咁所以咧個答案一咧就係錯啦。第二，high temperature，OK，佢會 decrease 咗個 enzyme activity。嗱，記住，high temperature 佢的確係會 decrease 個 enzyme activity 嘅，但係佢唔係因為咧 enzyme 同 substrate molecule 咧，佢唔能夠 collide with each other，佢仍然都可以 collide 到 with each other，但係佢由於個 enzyme，OK，佢加咗溫度之後發生咩事啊？佢個 active site 咧，唔再係原本個樣子啦，咁變相佢 form 唔到個 enzyme substrate complex，咁就做唔到個 product。所以喺呢個咁樣嘅情況之下咧，我哋咧就冇辦法咧令到一啲嘅 product，我哋想要嘅 product 係出咗嚟，或者我哋個 enzyme activity 咧就會降低咗啦。咁但係佢係咪佢唔能夠撞埋一齊咧？就唔係嘅。記住喺高啲嘅溫度，其實按道理佢哋有機會會撞到。即係會遇到咧，其實咧係會容易啲嘅，好大啲嘅機會。咁所以喺呢一度咧，我哋會 again 佢嗰個 explanation 咧係錯咗嘅。OK，好，跟住 unsuitable 嘅 pH，OK，嗱 unsuitable 嘅 pH 咧，佢係會 decrease 咗個 enzyme activity，但係同樣道理，佢並唔係因為咧我低咗 pH 個 activation energy of 個 reaction 咧係高咗，而係調翻轉，OK，佢係即係嗰個 activation energy 咧，其實係一個唔關事嘅嘢嚟嘅，佢相反因為佢同樣道理啦，佢 under 一個 pH，即係可能高啲嘅 pH，即係 more basicity 啦。或者佢可能咧，佢係一個低啲嘅 pH，佢係酸啲。咁其實咧就好似佢會揦咗咧嗰個嘅 enzyme，因為 enzyme 係一個 protein 啦，佢就會 transform 咗佢個 shape。佢個 active site 咧就唔再係一樣啦。就同樣道理，佢個 pH change 咗之後咧，佢個 active site 變咗，咁佢就冇辦法可以 fit 到，令到佢 form 得到個 enzyme substrate complex。咁所以答案咧就呢一個嘅 statement 咧。都係唔啱啦，都係錯啦。OK，咁所以答案咧就係 D 啦。好，跟住我哋繼續落啦。咁啊，Tommy 咧 investigate 個 effect of pH 啊 on 個 activity of pepsin。咁佢其實係一種咧 protease 嚟嘅啦。pepsin 其實係一種 protease 嚟嘅。OK，咁佢呢個 protease 咧，佢係 extract from 個 stomach 啦。咁個 student 咧就 prepare 咗一個 cooked egg whites cubes of the same size 同埋 same mass，一樣大細，一樣重量。咁佢之後咧，佢就將呢一個嘅 egg white 咧係擺喺個 pepsin solution 喺唔同嘅 pH 情況之下。嗱，我哋永遠都係咁樣諗，stomach 佢 prefer 呢一隻嘅 enzyme，佢一定係 prefer 緊 acidic 嘅 environment、neutral 嘅 environment，定係 alkaline 嘅一個 environment 咧？好明顯佢係，sorry，佢係 prefer 緊一個咧 acidic 嘅一個 environment。由於佢係 prefer 緊咧一個 acidic 嘅 environment 咧，喺呢個情況之下，個 pepsin solution 咧就應該咧係會即係佢最好啊，即係做得最好咧，就應該係 pH 2到3嘅呢個地方啦，係最勁嘅 reaction。咁但係問題就在於咧，佢而家量度緊啲乜嘢？佢量度緊個 mass，佢唔係量度緊咧佢個 rate of reaction。咁由於佢係量度緊個 mass，咁即係簡單嚟講，當我哋擺咗落去個 pepsin solution，如果佢越高 reaction，係咪即係等同於佢應該係會越低嘅 mass？即係佢越大機會佢會 digest 得多啲啊？ 或者 digest 得勁啲啊。咁所以喺呢個情況之下，咁 under 一個低啲嘅 pH，咁係咪應該係會最低啊？舉個例子係 pH 2嘅時候，咁佢就會最低啦。咁但係問題就在於係當佢越嚟越高嘅 pH 會發生咩事啊？嗰個 enzyme 咪就會 denature 咗。由於佢 denature 咗，咁咪所以變相個 mass 就可能冇改變或者冇跌到咯。由於冇 decrease 個 mass，咁個 mass 仍然都係咁高咯，就會係啦，仍然都會咁高啦。仍然都係 remain 一個好 static 咁高嘅一個位置啊。當佢一個係高嘅 pH，例如話可能係一個 alkaline environment 裏面，咁所以答案同樣都係 D 啦。好嗱，social question 呢一度咧，我見到大家係有咁樣嘅 concept 嘅，但係個 concept 上面咧，相對而言弱少少。唔係話冇，但係咧可能咧係答唔到咧，我哋想大家答嘅嘢。分數上邊可能未必反映得到大家嘅嗰個 understanding 啦，咁但係我能夠喺你哋嘅答案裏面係睇得到你哋嘅個 understanding 嘅。嗱，喺第一樣嘢就係個 washing powder 嘅 solution 啦，我哋有唔同嘅 washing powder 嘅 solution。sorry，應該話係我哋有一種嘅 washing powder 嘅 solution，咁裡面咧擺一啲嘅 egg white cube 落去，但係咧我哋會擺落去唔同嘅 temperature 度，唔同嘅 temperature 我哋就會去量度究竟佢少咗幾多嘅誒。egg white cube，OK，咁啊，我哋就可以睇翻喺 under 呢一個 picture 裏面，我哋知道個 independent variable 係啲乜嘢嘢啊？independent variable 咪就係講緊個 temperature 咯，OK，個 temperature 就係個 就係個 independent variable 咯，因為我哋其實喺實驗之前就已經轉咗啦嘛啲嘢，我哋有好多個唔同嘅 set up，而每一個 set up 都係喺唔同嘅 temperature。簡嚟講就係指緊 the variable we change，我哋改變嘅。咁所以我哋嘅 independent variable 咧就會係個 temperature of water 或者個 temperature 啦。好，咁就 dependent variable 啦。嗱，dependent variable 就係指緊一啲咧我哋會 measure 嘅嘢。但係我哋量度緊嘅，我哋唔係量度緊個 rate of reaction 咯，我哋揾緊嘅，其實我哋係揾緊個 effectiveness，即係究竟我哋嘅 biological 嘅 washing powder，佢究竟有幾咁好？咁啊，而我哋就會話咧，呢一個係我哋想揾嘅嘢。咁所以我哋揾緊嘅嘢就係揾緊喺唔同嘅溫度，我哋嗰個即係個結果，或者可能喺個 experiment 裏面帶來嘅 result，去反映緊嘅最終都係反映緊個 effectiveness。究竟我哋嘅 biological washing powder 有幾咁有效？OK，咁所以我哋就會話我哋嘅 dependent variable 就係個 effectiveness of biological washing powder，而我哋嘅 measurement，佢話到俾我哋知道究竟有幾咁 effective，就係睇緊個 egg white cube 裏面佢有冇少咗，或者佢可能佢嘅 size 細咗，呢一啲咧就係我哋會去量度嘅嘢。但係而呢個量度嘅嘢係咪我哋要真係去睇？哦，佢少咗幾多？唔係，我哋真正要去睇、要去比較嘅、要去揾嘅，其實個結果我哋想去反映出嚟嘅嘢，就係我哋嘅 biological washing powder 究竟有幾咁有效啦。咁所以我哋嘅 measurement 就會係 mass of egg white cube，或者 OK 我哋嘅 size of egg white cube，OK，咁呢啲咧都係我哋要即係寫得到嘅嘢啦，咁樣。咁嗱，describe 呢一度咧，記住一定要根據翻個情況。嗱，今次佢呢一度係講緊話由0到40。 零到40，我哋會見得到，OK，0到40，我哋會見得到佢成個嘅 curve 都係 show 緊一個乜嘢嘅 trend 啊？都會係一個增加緊嘅一個 trend。咁由於佢都係寫到一個係增加緊個 trend 嘅話，咁即係代表緊個 temperature，OK，the increase in temperature will increase the effectiveness of biological washing powder。OK，嗱，當我哋增加緊個溫度嘅時候，其實亦都會增加緊究竟我哋個 biological washing powder 有幾咁 effective 啦。越高溫，即係簡單嚟講，個 rate of reaction 越快，rate of reaction 越快，即係代表緊個 mass 會越嚟越少得越勁，咁即係代表緊個 biological washing powder 就係越有用啦。OK，咁所以我哋咧就必須要 describe 得到成個嘅關係。咁個關係點樣去 pronounce 出嚟，或者即係點樣去寫出嚟咧？我哋就會用一個咧佢越增加，另一邊咧亦都會增加啦。又或者我一邊增加，另一邊減少；又或者另一邊增加，另一邊保持不變。OK，嗱呢一個就係我哋想大家寫得到嘅 describe 啦。好，explanation 咧，我都唔特別去即係去講啦，因為其實我哋專登整咗一份咧個revision quiz 咧係俾大家嘅。咁其實當中佢咪就係 explain 咗，即係喺張 worksheet 裏面就係幫大家去 explain 究竟當中發生緊啲乜嘢事。嗱喺即係 three marks 嘅話咧，我哋第一個分數咧就係講緊一個 low temperature 嘅情況之下，會發生啲乜嘢事情？喺一個 low 嘅 temperature 嘅話，OK，我哋咧就會有一個咧，即係一個 low temperature 嘅話咧，我哋咧就會個 enzymatic activity is low，OK，或者我哋嘅 enzyme is inactive。所以我哋嘅 enzymatic activity 就會比較低啦。第二個，隨住溫度嘅增加 （increasing temperature），其實我哋就知道，無論係個 enzyme 定係個 substrate，定係個 substrate，喂，substrate，佢哋有多咗嘅 kinetic energy。OK，由於佢有多咗嘅 kinetic energy，即係代表佢能夠 form 到多啲嘅 enzyme substrate complex。OK，咁而第三分就係代表緊佢去到邊個位置係 reach 到 maximum 啦。咁啊，原來我哋睇翻個data 嘅話咧，其實咧 at 40。 等陣啊，發現呢個 iPad 唔係好靈啊。enzymatic reaction 咧就 enzymatic reaction 咧就reach the maximum 啦，as it好啲唔係好靈啊，reach the max as it reach the optimum temperature 咧。OK，咁佢哋就 reach 到咧個 optimum temperature 啦。OK，咁啊呢個咧就係個3分嘅由來。咁當然嗱，如果例如話你去到考試嘅時候，即係 uniform test 嘅時候，你會見得到佢可能唔係俾3分，係俾4分嘅。咁佢就問晒你成個 graph 點解佢會跌咗落嚟啊？哦，咁嗰陣時你就先至講翻哦，其實個 enzymes 咧，佢 under 一個 extreme high temperature 嘅時候咧，其實佢就開始咧 denature 啦。咁個 active site 咧就冇咗啦，即係 denature 咗啦，變咗啦，transform 咗啦。OK，嗱，記住 transform 我哋呢個字咧係俾唔到分你嘅，一定要講到 denature。如果例如話你要講佢點解跌嘅話，得唔得？好，咁啊，大致上即係呢一個嘅 exercise 嘅 debriefing 咧就嚟到呢一度啦。咁啊有其他問題都可以喺高卡上問翻我，唔該晒。